I'm going to present the next people who's supposed to be coming here today and talk to you. It's Mr. Radoslav Ivanov and Evelyn Mikhailov from the Velicha party in Bulgaria. A couple of weeks ago, they had their parliamentary election, and they will be participating and sharing their knowledge, their experience and warning with us Swedes for our upcoming election on September 13, 2026. So Mr. Ivanov and Mr. Mikhailov, the stage is yours.
Здравейте на всички, казвам се Евелин Михайлов, това е Радослав Иванов и ние сме от България.
Hello everybody, my name is Evelyn Mikhailov and I'm Radoslav Ivanov from Bulgaria.
България е една интересна държава, поради това, че съвсем доскоро беше социалистическа.
Bulgaria is a very interesting country because not too long ago it was a socialist country.
И тогава всички ние, които живеехме там, знаем, че правителството не ни казва цялата истина.
And the truth is that the people there knew that the government is not telling the population the truth.
За разлика от хората, които живеят в Швеция и смятат, че правителството им казва истина.
In comparison to the people that are in Sweden that mostly believe that the government does tell the truth to them.
Когато влязохме в Европейския съюз, повярвахме, че нещата ще се променят.
In 2007, when Bulgaria was entering the European Union, the whole population was believing that things will finally change.
Вярвахме, че влизаме в един съюз, който ще направи така нашите политици да казват истината, да бъде демокрация и ако видиш, че нещо не е правилно, да имаш право да го кажеш.
Our belief was that as we enter the European Union, all of a sudden, the politicians will start saying the truth. They will follow the rules, there will be laws, and finally people will live happily and freely.
Затова ще ви кажем само неща, на които сме 100% свидетели и участници и нито едно нещо не е предположение, всичко е 100% доказано.
So today what we'll show you and tell you are 100% facts, things that we have experienced, so it's not something we are guessing about, but it's something that we have went through.
Сега, Бил Гейтс не знам какво прави, не го познавам, но какво се случва в България и нашия контакт с Европейския съюз, мога да ви кажа на 100%.
We don't personally know, we're not acquaintances to Bill Gates, so we don't know exactly what he's doing, but we know everything about Bulgaria, what's happening in Bulgaria, and we know about our interactions with the European Union and how they respond.
С Радо сме два различни типа хора.
Rado and I are two completely different individuals.
Той вярва в конспирациите.
Rado believes in conspiracies.
Аз съм човек на науката.
Well, he's a person of science.
И много често Радо се оказва прав.
And it's strange, but Rado almost all the time is saying the truth.
След като научно го доказим, се убеждаваме в това.
And after we scientifically prove it, it turns out that the conspiracies end up to be true.
Не във всичко, но половина.
Not in everything, but about half of the things.
Аз съм предприемач от България.
Evelyn is a entrepreneur from Bulgaria.
Роден съм по времето на социализма.
Evelyn is born during the socialist times in 1977.
И съм израснал във времената на прехода.
And he's brought up during the so-called transitional times in Bulgaria between 1989 all the way up to the 90s and the 2000s.
Реших да направя един проект, както е вашия, къде ходите?
Skansen.
Skansen.
Yeah, Evelyn decided to create a large project in Bulgaria very similar to Skansen, the enormous open-air museum.
Проектът е много голям. България има много дълга история, над 1300-400 години.
Since Bulgaria has a very rich history of about 1400 years, we decided to create this project to show that history.
И имало е огромни крепости с камъни, с мрамор, които са строени дворци и това го прави сложен проект.
Yeah. Since we had to build fortresses, marble palaces, temples, and many different palaces, the difficulty of the project, because of so many ages and so many empires that were on the Balkans and in Bulgaria, made the project a very difficult one.
Понеже в Скансен са пренесени едни къщи, които са съществували.
In comparison with Skansen, all the buildings that were moved from different parts of Sweden here in Stockholm,
При нас 6 години правихме проучване да ги възстановим.
With our project, it took us 6 years to do research, archaeological, historical, in order to figure out how to reconstruct them from ground
И
up.
после още 10 години ги строим.
And then it took us 10 more years to build them. One second. What's with the microphones? Can we fix this?
We're working on it. We're working on it.
Or should I just use the other one?
Ела насам, ела.
It's not really that. It's some kind of interference with
Нещо след.
Kan man inte
Това, което направихме е световен рекорд, защото ние успяхме да направим един проект без държавни и без европейски средства.
So we can say we have a world record in Bulgaria. We built this enormous park with no government funding, no European funding, and zero municipal funding.
Направихме го краудфандинг от много българи и то без богати хора, обикновени.
We built it only through crowdfunding, through ordinary citizens, with no rich people, no rich Bulgarians at all, ordinary people from word to mouth.
Това, което се случи, вместо да получим похвала от държавата или от Европейския съюз, че правим нещо положително,
Instead of receiving support from our government or support from anybody, we were attacked due to the fact that we built it.
ние бяхме атакувани и от българските, и от европейските медии като проруски, като някакви националисти, които правят нещо срещу България и срещу Европейския съюз.
Automatically, when we opened the big theme park, we were named pro-Russian, far-right nationalists, and people that are against the ordinary Bulgarians.
Като
By the local media and the international media at the same
да,
time.
Свободна Европа, Deutsche Welle.
We're talking Free Europe, Deutsche Welle decided to attack the project.
А ние никога нищо лошо не сме направили.
And we as an organization never did anything unlawful or anything wrong, ever.
Дори ако си отворите Уикипедия,
Even if you open Wikipedia, for example,
да
now,
видите за партия Величие, ще видите крайно националистическа партия.
Wikipedia will state that the Velichia party that we represent is a far-right nationalistic party,
Която е антиевропейска,
and they claim that it's anti-European,
и която говори популистки.
and it's a populist party.
А това, което сме направили, не е популистко, то е реално.
And what we have built is not populist, it's real. It's actually
Докато
built.
всички други политици само говорят.
I think it's your mic here.
Oh,
Yeah, it's your microphone. You can get the sound from us. You can get the sound from us. We have
okay, I'll just switch it up. Do you guys hear well?
No.
Да, ще въртим един микрофон.
We need
If you
that
speak on the mic, I'll just speak like this.
No.
No,
The
real
mic. The mic on your chest. So we send you the sound file off.
So what should I do? Take this
Cannot
one
have
off?
two.
Yeah.
We send you the sound file off.
Yeah, we're recording everything.
You get the sound from us.
Not staying us all. It has to be
Turn
closed.
it off.
Turn it off. Throw it in the bucket. Kill it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Back at it. Okay, better? Okay, better.
Yeah, way better.
Good, okay.
Това, което ние сме направили още преди да станем политици, ние сме направили много паметници, образовали сме много деца, издали сме много книжнина и наука.
Yep, so before becoming politicians, what we've done as an organization, he as an entrepreneur and the organization around him, is we've built many monuments, we've done a lot of charity, we've helped a lot of children to study books, literacy, education additionally, beyond what the state is supposed to be doing.
Младите хора ги организираме в обществено полезна дейност, учим ги на предприемачество, да не приемат наркотици, да се учат, да бъдат добри членове на обществото.
What we did is we taught young people how to become entrepreneurs, how to volunteer, how not to take drugs, how to stay away from porn, how to be more active outside. Everything, connected to things that are in the real world.
И въпреки, че ние сме единствените, които имаме реални действия и не ползваме държавни пари,
And even though, in spite of the fact that we are doing only real activity without using any government funding, any European or municipal funds,
ние сме популисти.
they still call us populists.
А всички други, които ползват милиарди държавни пари,
And in comparison with all the others that use billions of government project money,
те са реалисти и са проевропейски.
they are called pro-Europe, they're called realists, they're the real deal.
Ако ви телепортирам от тук в България да видите разликата между използването на обществени средства, вие се шокирате.
If we teleport every single one of you from the room to Bulgaria right now, and you had to compare the money being spent on public projects, whether it's roads, whether it's anything, you guys will completely go insane.
За 1 километър магистрала плащаме 50 милиона.
For 1 kilometer of highway, we pay 50 million.
И тя е ужасна.
And it's a terrible
Тя
highway.
е като лунен пейзаж.
Yeah, it's like as if you're on the moon with all the craters.
И никога не се построява.
And it's never finished. Ever.
Имаме магистрала на 50 години.
Yeah, we have this famous highway, they call it the 8th wonder of the world. It's 50 years old and it's still not finished.
400 километра.
It's a 400 kilometer and it's still not
Се
finished.
строи 50 години.
Yeah, 50 years.
И всяка година се отпускат пари за нея.
And every year they find new funding for it.
В България изсичат дърветата безконтролно.
In Bulgaria there's a lot of deforestation, which is uncontrolled at all.
Ние единствени засаждаме.
While we as an organization are the only ones that are planting trees.
Грижим се за тях.
We take care of the trees.
И нас ни съдят защо засаждаме дървета.
And he's currently has lawsuits against him. Why is he planting trees? Within Bulgaria.
Дори
Yeah.
това не може.
Yeah, they don't even
Безплатно.
allow you to for free with your money to plant trees, and they sue him. Right?
И аз съм популист,
And they call him a populist.
а другите са проевропейски.
While all the rest are called pro-European.
Те са пример.
They are the example.
Това, което се случи, че в бизнеса, след като го направихме това нещо, те се опитаха да ни унищожат.
What happened throughout the years is that as we opened the historical park, they decided to make a complete destruction plan, how to destroy the whole area.
И тогава ние видяхме, че единственият шанс да се преборим срещу политиците е като станем политици.
So that's the moment we finally realized the only way to defeat these politicians is to become politicians in order to protect everything that was built.
И тогава направихме партия Величие.
And that was the moment that we created the Velichia Party.
Като първата ни битка беше да вземем 3 общини.
And our first battle actually wasn't national elections, it was actually the local elections. We had 3 municipalities which are really close to the historical park that we built that we had to fight for and to win the local elections.
И ги взехме от първия път.
And we won the elections from the first try, locally.
Обаче, те се оплашиха от това, което направихме. Ние мислихме, че ще спрем до там.
And that was our initial goal, like we win the local elections and they leave us alone. But the guys that were in power on a national level became afraid of us, and that's when even bigger attacks started.
И те казаха, тези трябва да ги арестуваме. Не може, как така взеха 3 общини.
And they officially, through sources that we have, they told us that in 6 months' time, this organization needs to be completely erased.
Започнаха здрава медийна атака.
They bombarded us with a massive media attack.
Като казаха, че имам частна армия.
Yeah, first big interesting thing is they said in front of national news that he owns a private military company. Private army.
21 век, знаете, сега ако строя 100 човека въоръжени, ще дойдат от цяла Европа и ще ме арестуват на секундата.
Like we are living in the 21st century, NATO, European Union. If he, for example, lines up 100 people that are armed, all of the secret services are going to come and arrest him immediately, right?
Написаха в официалната преса, която е финансирана от Америка за България.
So there's a foundation called America for Bulgaria. It's Soros funded. What they wrote in the official media in Bulgaria,
че имам 300 ядрени ракети, които ми е дал лично Путин.
yeah, they wrote that Putin gave him 300 nuclear warheads personally to him on national news, and they wrote it as an article.
Може ви изглежда смешно,
It sounds funny to you that it's official articles against him.
Официално медиите, това са националните медии.
Claiming that he wants to bombard the capital, which is pro-liberal.
И това е обвинение в българското разузнаване срещу мен.
And they installed that accusation within the Bulgarian investigation in CIA. We call it the security agency.
Спряха ми всички банкови операции.
They automatically debanked and froze all of his banking operations to all the businesses.
10 000 човека около мен са с забранени банкови операции.
Everyone that has interacted somehow with him, 10,000 people we've calculated, have complete blockage of their bank accounts.
10 000 човека са блокирани от Агенцията за приходите.
Yeah, the Bulgarian IRS, which is a national revenue agency, has blocked about 10,000 people's bank accounts.
Това е 3 години вече.
And that's for the past 3 years.
Ние доказваме, че всички обвинения са фалшиви.
Yeah, we prove that every single accusation is false with documents, including, покажи само това, което е решението. Including in 2022, there's an official ending of all investigations against the historical park, claiming it's absolutely clean, financially it's 100% okay. We show this officially, and still, no reaction.
Това, което направиха е да унищожат целият бизнес модел и системно всеки един човек, който каже добра дума за нас, да бъде също унищожен.
So they created a systematic approach how to destroy the whole business model with crowdfunding in Bulgaria for such projects, so that anyone that says a good word for the projects is literally afraid to even speak out the name Historical Park.
Казаха, че сме секта.
Yeah, they named us a sect.
Аз съм православен християнин в държава, в която това е основната религия.
In Bulgaria, the official religion is Orthodox Christianity, and we are Orthodox Christians. They call them a sect.
Не знам как съм секта за това. Да.
Doesn't make sense.
При нас обаче работят мюсюлмани.
Yeah, what's important to know is that even though we are Christians, we have employed Muslims that work with us.
Имаме такива будисти.
We have Buddhists that work with us.
И имаме католици, протестанти.
We have Catholics, Protestants. Doesn't matter which religion, they are all employed by
И
us.
всичките сме едно.
And we're all one. We don't divide anyone.
Но те казват секта.
But they named us a sect, and that's it. On national news.
И това приключва и го казват, и съда отказва да се произнесе, след като ние подадем жалба към съда за това нещо, че ни репресират.
And the courts, they decline any kind of answer regarding this, even though we file claims against them that they are defamating us.
Официално казват, че децата ми са малумни, това по телевизията.
On TV, they name his children, they called his children retarded. On national news.
Репресия, да, срещу децата в училище и навсякъде.
In school, they're attacking his kids verbally and
заплахи за убийство официално по социални медии навсякъде никой не реагира.
Yeah, his life being threatened on national news, on social media. We have these vloggers that are pretty, crazy, threatening that they'll kill him.
Мястото, където живеем, има камери на нашите обекти. Забраниха ни да имаме камери, които да гледат към улицата.
Yeah, so in the place we live in, which is this municipality, we put security cameras, just like in every normal place. And now they've denied us to have the cameras pointing towards the streets.
Насъскаха мафията срещу нас.
Yeah, they started, telling all the mobsters to attack specifically the organization.
И казаха полицията да не се намесва.
And they told the cops and all of the police chiefs to close their eyes and do nothing.
Взеха ми оръжията, аз съм ловец, без никаква причина, взеха ми оръжията, съда постанови да ми ги върнат и не ми ги връщат.
In Bulgaria, there's a legal way you can be a hunter. He's a hunter for many years. So what they did is they illegally took his weapons from his home, personal firearms, everything that's legally, acquired.
Съда
The court said return the firearms, and the police chief said no.
Или правят абсолютно каквото си искат, няма никакъв закон. Никакъв.
So they do whatever they want and they don't follow any laws at all.
Станахме партия, която влезе в Народното събрание два пъти.
We became a political party that entered the parliament twice. So on national elections we win and we enter 2 times in a row.
В Народното събрание в България е официална партия.
That's an official political party that entered beyond the 4% within the Bulgarian National Assembly.
Подаваме сигнал към всички европейски посолства в България.
So what we did is we took all of these signals and we sent them to every single embassy in Bulgaria as an official political party, member of the parliament. We gave all this information to every embassy.
С хиляди страници доказателства.
With thousands of pages of proof.
Че в държава членка на Европейския съюз
And the proof contains that a member state of the European Union, which
се
is
случват
Bulgaria,
такива беззакония.
these unlawful acts are happening.
Не само към нас.
Not only towards us, but a lot of other people as well that came to us.
Давам ви пример. Земеделец, който не симпатизира, му палят техниката, унищожават му посевите, избиват му животните за над 15 милиона евро щети, 100% доказателства, видео, всичко и не се задейства прокуратура.
To give you an example that is not towards us only, there's a farmer that is a really good friend of ours, and he's also a friend of the Velice party. What they did is they set on fire all of his agricultural machines that are worth more than 5 million euro. They put them on fire. They destroyed thousands of acres of his crops. We have the evidence. We have the video. We know who did it. We have people that are witnesses, and we also gave that information out to every single one of the embassies.
И това продължава 2 години.
And this continues for the past 2 years.
Всеки месец. Всеки месец.
Every single month they're figuring out something.
Помислете си тази сграда, всеки месец да я палят, вие строите на ново и те я палят.
It's kind of like if you look at the building across. Every month they set it on fire. You decide to rebuild it. Next month they set it on fire. You decide to rebuild it, and that's a constant loop.
Показваме на Европейския съюз как източват евросубсидия, няма животни.
Yeah, another proof and evidence is we found how the Bulgarian mafia is draining European subsidies through the cattle that they're supposed to have on paper, but there are no cattle. So there's virtual animals that they're draining European funds from.
Би трябвало Европа да интересува как се крадат европейски средства, вашите пари.
Yeah, it's only logical that the European Union should be interested where is this European money being drained into.
Сигурен съм, че ви увеличават данъците постоянно.
Because after all, it's the taxes that the Swedes, the Danish, every European is paying towards the EU.
А тези пари отиват в българската мафия и Европейския съюз знае за това.
And all this money is going towards the Bulgarians and the Bulgarian mafia that is draining it.
Но това го правят умишлено.
Yeah, but they're doing it on purpose.
Намерихме като парламентарна партия над 60 000 незаконни сметища в България.
So as a political party, our activity led to people all throughout the country say, hey, you know what, we have to show you something. So in every single village in Bulgaria, people started filming, and we found out that there's 60,000 illegal garbage dumps throughout the whole country. 60,000. Illegal.
Подадохме сигнали към институциите и те ни върнаха, че да, има ги.
Yeah.
Официален документ.
We put it all as signals. We sent it to the ecological...
Снимане.
Yeah, we filmed them, gave them coordinates, sent it to the agencies for ecology, and they gave us a response, yes, those dumps are there.
Казаха го в Народното събрание. Ние отидохме, направихме вод на недоверие на правителството за това нещо и те казаха да, и какво от това?
As a political party, we started a motion of no confidence against the government, the 51st government, against the fact that there's an ecological crisis in Bulgaria. And once again, they said, yes, we admit these landfills are there, but what are you going to do about it?
В Европа говорят за зелена сделка, зелена енергия, а тези сметища бълват метан в атмосферата и повишават климатичните проблеми.
The European Commission, the EU, always talks about the Green Deal, how you have to decrease the CO2, while all these landfills are emitting methane on a daily basis in such enormous scale that you can't even calculate it.
И Европа нищо не направи. Имаме официални документи към Европейската комисия, потвърдени, че са ги приели, с всички видеодоказателства, с абсолютно 100% доказателства не реагираха.
And Europe received all of those documents. They confirmed that they received those documents with every single coordinate, photo, video, and they didn't do anything about it.
Сега вижте какво се случва. България има излаз на море, което е хубаво за туризъм морски.
Now, to look at the geography of Bulgaria as a border country, we are on the Black Sea coast and we have a coastline.
Много шведи са идвали. Има шведски хотел във Варна.
In the past, a lot of Swedes came to the Black Sea for the summer. There's actually a Swedish hotel in Varna.
Миналата година казват, че ние имаме най-чистите плажове в Европа.
So last year,
Европейско проучване.
Europe made a research claiming that the Black Sea is one of the cleanest waters, you know, in all of the European seas.
Ние отиваме и показваме, че изливат отходните води директно на плажовете и казваме, лъжите.
We go and we film how they're throwing out all the sewage directly into the sea. Directly, live video, like on social media everywhere in the National Assembly, and we tell them, you are lying. It's not true. It's not the cleanest sea. You're lying.
Поправете пречиствателните станции.
So the only thing we ask for them, clean the plants that are for recycling water. Just fix them.
Пускаме ги в Европейския съюз.
We send this information again as a signal and a complaint towards the EU. Again,
Нищо.
no reaction. Parliamentary party sending this out, no reaction.
Познайте тази година имаме ли най-чистите плажове?
Yeah, try and guess. Do you think we have the cleanest coastlines today?
Отново.
Once again, no.
Добре, как вярваме тогава за храната, водата, че са чисти, след като Европа знае за това нещо и праща европейците там?
So how are we believing all these institutions if they're claiming that our food is clean, that our water is clean, and at the same time they're sending Europeans to go on such beaches for tourism, when they're lying about such statistics and information?
Тук не говорим за ваксини, в които не виждаме какво слагат.
Here we're not talking about vaccines where we cannot see exactly what's inside as contents.
Тук имаме видеоматериал, доказателства и признания.
Here we have actual proof, video, you can see what's going on, and we have a confirmation from the agencies.
Обаче те не дават информация на хората.
Yeah, but what they do, they hide that information from people.
И официалната информация лъжи.
So the official information is a lie.
Откраднаха ни едни избори.
During the 2024 elections, they stole elections and they stole votes from us.
Ние доказахме с 3000 записа от комисии, че изборите са откраднати.
In Bulgaria, when the election day ends, they put video cameras when they're counting the votes. So you can see how they're counting and whether there's fraud. We watched 3,000 of those videos, and we saw that in 50% of them, there's election fraud. They throw away ballots, they write on, they look, they write on the ballots, they do whatever they want on the ballots. That's on the national news. We sent them this video, and they stole these elections from us, more than 100,000.
Казаха, че не влизаме заради 21 гласа.
Yeah, they said on the national news that our party will not enter because of 21 votes below the
Бяха
barrier.
откраднали поне 100 000.
While on the videos you can see at least 100,000 votes stolen.
След дълга борба,
After a 5-month battle with the Constitutional Court, all the institutions,
и почти вдигане на бунт в България.
and almost literally creating a rebellion within Bulgaria for the people.
Конституционният съд не призна тези 21 гласа.
Yeah, 5 months battle with the Constitutional Court. They accepted and said these guys have 29 votes more than that. So we passed the barrier with 8 votes.
И пак влязохме в Народното събрание.
So we managed to get back into the National Assembly for the 51st Assembly.
Когато влязохме обаче, задействаха държавната машина.
So once we entered again in 2025 in March, they reactivated the whole government apparatus against us.
И започнаха да арестуват наши хора.
And they started arresting people around us with no accusation, just automatically arresting people.
Без обвинения.
Yeah, there's no accusation, no reason. They just went in and started arresting people that are close to the organization.
И сфабрикуват си нещо и просто ги арестуват.
They started making up stories, putting it on the news, and arresting them.
Нормални хора като вас с семейства лежаха по 4 месеца в ареста.
Absolutely ordinary working people with families, they were thrown in jail for 4 months for no reason at all.
И никой не пита откъде пари за семействата, те просто са в арест.
And nobody's asking how are these people going to pay their, their families for their bills, for food. They just threw them in jail for 4 months, just like that.
Някои вече са с чупена психика.
Yeah, some of them have their psyche broken because of those 4 months.
И това е само защото искаме истината.
And all of this is just because we want to show the truth.
През това време какво разбрахме? В България няма опозиционни партии.
During that time, what we found out, which is important for people that are in politics, there are no opposition parties in Bulgaria.
Имахме една партия, ГЕРБ, това е най-отгоре.
So on top, this is the painting we made for the political system. This painting is called the Mafia Party, with all of the leaders of the political parties in Bulgaria on it.
Той се казва Бойко Борисов, този на върха.
The guy on top is Boyko Borisov, 20-year leader of...
Любимец на Урсула.
Yeah, he is the right-hand man and the lovely puppy dog of Ursula von der Leyen.
Лежал е в затвор чешки за кражба на коли.
This man was in jail in the Czech Republic for stealing cars 30 years ago.
В България се знае, че е отговорен за 160 знакови убийства.
Everyone in Bulgaria knows that 160 public murders of businessmen are due to his orders.
Този е по-страшен от Тоторина на Коза Ностра.
Yeah, this guy is scarier than the leader of Cosa Nostra, Totorina.
И Урсула се прегръща с него.
And Ursula is hugging this guy, the
И
leader.
казва, Бойко е човек.
And she says Boyko is the guy, he's the man.
Да. Бойко Борисов е европейска партия. Той е към НП.
Boyko Borisov's party, which is called GERB, is part of the European People's Party, the EPP.
Под него в ляво
Below him on the left,
Костадинов.
that is the leader of the Revival Party. And now listen to this. This is
Така.
the actual pro-Russian party.
Той уж е проруска.
Yeah, he is pro-Russian,
Уж. Но той е към разклонение на Бойко Борисов.
but he is actually a continuation of Boyko because he's fully under control of Boyko. So listen to this now.
Бойко му дава милиони.
Boyko is giving him millions for campaigns, for anything he says.
Защо? И го кара да чупи сградата на Европейския парламент.
So he had an order to protest against the European Union's building in
Европейската
Sofia,
комисия.
the European Commission's building in Sofia. His party went out and protested and threw paint and burned it and destroyed it to act as if it's pro-Russian.
За да може да каже, виждате ли, ако не съм аз европейски, идват проруските.
In order to tell Ursula, look Ursula, if it's not me in power, these guys are going to come in and they're going to be pro-Russian. So you have to keep me here.
Аз имам безспорни доказателства как той е взел милиони и половина евро.
Evelyn has 100% evidence how Kostadinov, the one on the left that runs the Revival Party, took 3 million
Boyko
euros
Borisov.
in cash from Boyko. We have it as evidence.
Да. Свидетели всичко имаме.
Loads of witnesses were there.
Това не ги интересува.
Yeah, but they don't care about that.
Така. Този отдолу, Делян Пеевски,
Now, the other one below him immediately, Delan Peevski,
е другия, така, друга значима фигура в България.
is the other important figure in Bulgaria that everyone's talking about.
Той е санкциониран по закона Магнитски за корупция в особено големи размери.
He is one of the sanctioned under the Magnitsky Law. For those of you that don't know, this is the highest level of corruption from the United States. He is in the Magnitsky list for highest level of corruption.
Доставил е стоки на Ислямска държава.
Yeah, what he did was he actually traded with the ISIS group, and that's how he went into the
И
Magnitsky
на
list.
него му е забранено да има достъп до банки.
So he officially does not have the right to own a bank account.
Но той лети с частни самолети.
But he's flying with private planes to Dubai, he owns properties in Dubai,
И всички казват, той е най-богатия в България.
and everyone in Bulgaria says this is the richest guy in
И
Bulgaria.
ние казваме, нали, той е санкциониран по Магнитски.
And as a parliamentary party, we asked him, he is sanctioned by Magnitsky Law. The US Embassy said it. Everybody knows it. How is he flying to Dubai and owns
Те
all this
казват,
cash?
в България Магнитски не важи.
And the Bulgarians say, look, the Magnitsky Law does not work in Bulgaria.
Сега искам да ви питам, Мадуро как го хванаха и го извадиха от леглото?
Quick question towards you. How did Trump enter for less than 24 hours and take Maduro out of his bed?
Мадуро има армия.
Maduro owns an army.
Богата държава е поне на ресурси.
Yeah, he has a country pretty rich with resources, right?
30 милиона човека.
Yeah, there are 30 million over there.
България е 6 милиона.
Bulgaria is barely 6 million people.
Няма армия.
Doesn't have an army.
Как го плаши Доналд Тръмп?
Yeah, how did they manage to scare Donald Trump? If he's under the Magnitsky Law.
Просто той го прави със съгласието на американците.
Yeah, the answer, they're doing it with the confirmation from the Americans.
Доказан престъпник.
Yeah, proven
Доказан.
criminal, proven criminal.
И той е проевропейски.
And he also claims he's pro-European.
Отдолу всичките,
Everyone in the painting, down the pyramid, all the way down,
партиите, които са на Сорос.
for example, the liberal democratic parties that are owned by
И
Soros,
те са с тях.
they're also working with them.
И когато трябва да се махне фокуса от важна тема,
And for example, there's a big scandal in Bulgaria. To take the focus away from the scandal,
почва скандал за Русия или за Украина.
immediately they start a scandal in the National Assembly, in the Parliament, for Russia against Russia, for Ukraine
А
against.
накрая всички вземат пари от Бойко.
And at the end of the day, all of them get cash from Boyko because they start a fake
Въобще не ги
scandal.
интересува Русия, въобще не ги интересува
They don't
Украина.
care about Russia. They don't care about Ukraine. All they have to do is play a circus in front of the people's eyes.
Всичко е едно голямо шоу.
It's a huge show, and he knows it because he was inside in the parliament and he saw it all.
И всичко е режисирано.
So it's all staged, all of it.
И всичко е съзнанието на Европейския съюз.
And the European Union knows every single step of the way.
Ние имаме над 1000 сигнала.
We have more than 1,000 signals sent out to them regarding all these things.
И въпреки всичко няма никаква реакция.
And still no reaction from them.
Това, което разбрахме,
What we figured out throughout these years,
след като не може да вярваме на правителството,
if we can't believe the government,
след като не може да вярваме на Европейския съюз,
if we can't believe the EU,
трябва да си направим наши организации, които да ни осигурят един достоен живот.
the only way out is to create organizations of our own that would provide us an actual noble way of living.
Започнахме да си изграждаме собствена икономика.
So what we did, we started by creating our own economy within our country.
Купуваме един от друг, организираме си,
We buy from one another. We organize each other.
подкрепяме млади хора да станат предприемачи,
We support young people to become entrepreneurs.
направихме си собствени медии,
We created medias of our own, local, national medias of our own to have bigger
като
reach.
се стремим винаги да пускаме само 100% доказани новини.
And what we're striving for is to release everything that is as close to the truth as possible. Everything above 95% to be true.
Започнахме да помагаме на хора, които са репресирани.
Yeah, what happened throughout these years is that a lot of people popped up that were afraid throughout the country that needed help. So we went there and we helped them on the
И
spot.
започнахме да осветяваме всички нередности, които се случват в България.
So that way, through our media, we managed to put a spotlight on all the wrongdoings and all the unlawfulness throughout the whole country.
Започнахме да правим протести пред тяхните домове.
And here's the big catch. We didn't do any protests in front of the institutions. We started making protests in front of the homes of these politicians.
И когато арестуваха нашите хора, блокирахме столицата на България.
And the moment they arrested our people, we blocked the whole capital of Sofia, literally.
Много коли се развалиха по едно и също време на различни главни артерии.
All of a sudden, many vehicles broke down on very important roads within the capital.
Просто бяха много и не можеха да тръгнат.
There was just way too many vehicles that automatically, went bad, went wrong. The engines stopped at
И
the
отне
same time.
3-4 часа да ги махнат.
And it took them more than 4 to 5 hours to take those vehicles away.
Не са искали хората, просто са се щупили.
Yeah. I mean, people didn't want to, just those vehicles broke down automatically at the same time.
Но накрая стана невъзможно, борбата започна да нараства.
Yeah, but since the battle within every single person saw that we have this bravery and they started, rising up,
И от Европейския съюз направиха промяна.
and a decision came from the EU, they said it's time for some change.
Казаха на президента,
They told the president, the ex-president, Radev,
да, не, той беше президент.
the ex-president,
Не беше президент.
he was a president back then.
Казаха му да напусне поста
They told him, leave the presidential post
и да направи нова партия.
and start a new political party
И нас да ни няма в Народното събрание.
so that they can eliminate us from the National Assembly.
Задействаха всички медии,
They activated all possible media channels, sociological agencies, every
при
single...
които вече спряха да казват нещо за нас.
Yeah, and they completely canceled the word Velichi in every single one of those media outlets.
Казаха, те са добри момчета,
They said, these are good guys,
но президента ще ви оправи.
but the president is going to be your savior.
И наистина успяха хората, които сме спасили, ние спасихме стотици хиляди хора в България от турмоз. Нали, от
So through the media and propaganda, because the government fell, like the government of those mafia guys that you saw, it fell last December in 25. The president came down. He resigned as president, started a political party, and through those 4 months till the elections now on the 19th of April, they managed to warp people's brains so much that we don't exist at all. While it was us that made this civil unrest, so that the people actually chose the president's party with full majority, 131 seats out of 240, and we were barely 3%. That's how much they managed to bombard people, saying that he is your savior, choose him, and now he's in power. Well, we're out of the parliament now.
Понеже имаше дебати между партиите,
Yeah, because during the pre-elections, there's debates on national news.
и те ни смятат за не много интелигентни.
Yeah, and since they think we're not very intelligent, that we are a low IQ party.
Защото ние не разполагаме средства, при нас всичко е блокирано.
Yeah, because we don't have funds, right? Everything's blocked, like we told you, all the
И
accounts.
казват,
Everything.
те не могат да си наемат скъпо платени говорители.
Yeah, they said these guys, they can't pay for very high-level speakers that could go out on national news.
И ние отидохме на два диспута
So we went out on 2 debates,
и направо ги убихме.
and we destroyed them on those 2 debates. He
И
went
те
out.
забраниха дебатите повече.
And the moment those 2 debates, happened, they declined all debates. So they stopped all debates the moment that these 2 debates happened because they saw the effects and just the level difference.
Но медиите са много силни.
But the truth is that media is very strong. Very strong.
И накрая, въпреки че си повишихме резултата, ние останахме извън Народното събрание.
And even though we increased our election results, we could not enter.
А това видях колко силни са всъщност
That was just proof how important and how powerful media really is.
и че това е една система, в която всичко е нагласено.
And it's just proof that this whole thing is a system where everything is fully rigged.
Нагласени са резултатите на футболните матчове.
Yeah, the football games, all the results are rigged.
Нагласени са боксовите резултати.
Boxing matches are rigged.
Евровизия
Eurovision,
е нагласена.
rigged.
Да.
Completely. Even though Bulgaria won, it's rigged.
Да. Защо? Когато им трябва нещо да върнат увереността на дадена държава, веднага те я слагат в фокуса.
Whenever they need a specific country to return its self-confidence, they use these instruments to get it back up to raise them and say, hey, you're important.
Кой е световният шампион по бокс?
Who's the world champion in box?
Украинец.
Box, Ukrainian.
Те са най-добрите войни.
They're the strongest, powerful warriors, right?
Бийте се.
Fight now. You have the strongest boxer.
Това е нещото, което те правят. Изцяло режисиран свят.
Yeah, so it's all a very well played theater.
Лошото е, че след падането на социализма
What's bad and why we mentioned socialism is that the moment socialism fell in 1989,
няма антипод на капитализма.
yeah, there's no antithesis to capitalism right now. Nothing to counter or give a parallel
И
to.
големите капитали вече не искат да се грижат за хората.
And the truth is that big capital, big money does not want to take care of the ordinary people
Може би
anymore.
усещате, че средната класа почва да я смачкват.
You probably can feel how the middle class is being crushed day after day after day.
Ще има много богати и много бедни.
Yeah, at the end of the day, there's going to be ultra wealthy and ultra poor.
И ако ние като хора не направим нещо, като общество,
And if we as a society, if we as people don't do anything about this,
просто нашата съдба няма да е хубава.
yeah, our future and fate will not be a good one.
Не може да се сърдим защо нещата са така.
We can't be mad or we can't, say anything.
Искаме света да е културен,
Because all of us want this world to be a very respectful, very cultural
но
world.
за съжаление света се дели на силни и слаби.
But unfortunately, the world is divided in two. The ones that are powerful and the ones that are weak.
И няма борба между нациите.
And you have to understand there is no actual fight between nations.
Има борба между богатите и бедните.
There's only a fight between the rich and the poor.
Всички войни са режисирани.
Every single war is pre-orchestrated.
Там умират само бедни хора.
And guess who dies in these wars? Only the poor people.
Може да видите, че единствените управляващи, които умират, са в Иран.
You can only see that the only people that are in power that die are the ones in Iran. The ones that are in power that actually die.
Те не са част от другия елит.
Yeah, they're not part of the other elites that we see.
Но при всички останали,
But with every other war that you've seen,
може да видите, не се удрят хората, които са на високи позиции.
you can see and you can witness that the people that are in higher positions are never attacked.
Те са защитени.
They're always protected, always in the same
Умират
spot.
само обикновените хора.
Only the ordinary people die during those wars.
Корупцията в Украйна е известна отдавна.
Yeah, the corruption in Ukraine is very much known way before.
Тя е стимулирана
It was stimulated
от Европейския съюз и от щатите.
by the EU, by the US. It was stimulated throughout these years.
Така ги държат на каишка.
That's how they keep those people that are, currently governing on a leash.
Видях го, защото много пъти на мен в политиката ми предлагаха или пари, или затвор.
The reason he knows this is because he had a lot of different bribery attempts in which they offered him, you either take the money that we're going to give you, or you're going to jail.
И аз питам, не мога ли да правя полезни неща за обществото.
And during those propositions, he asked them,
Не искам пари.
can't I do something else? I don't want the money. Can't I just be allowed to do valuable, positive things for society?
Те казват не.
They said no.
И нито едно европейско правителство не иска да говори с мен.
And not even one European government or embassy wants to speak with him.
Ако искат хубава Европа, защо не говорят с хората, които могат да я направят?
If they want to have a good Europe, great Europe, why don't they open communications and talks with someone that's already building something that they know about?
Защото съм от бедната класа.
And the answer is because he's from the poor class.
Това е истина.
He's not from the rich. That's the
И
truth.
от тук нататък борбата е бедни и богати,
So from here on out, the battle is poor against wealthy
а не между държави.
and not country against country.
Не се поддавайте на това внушение, с което искат да ви настроят срещу други нации.
Yeah, don't get fooled by this insinuation that you have to hate a specific nation.
Така ви махат фокуса
Yeah, they're taking the focus away from you that way.
от истинските неща, които се
From the
случват.
real problems and the real things that are going on.
Само едно кратко сравнение ще дам за ваксините.
Quick example in comparison with vaccines.
Като аз не съм против вакцинацията като методика,
Yeah, because Evelyn is not against vaccination as a method.
а съм против това, което слагат сега в ваксините корпорации.
He's against what they're putting in the vaccines now, the corporations.
Баба ми беше учителка в 55 000 град.
His grandma was a teacher in his hometown, which is a 55,000
По време на социализма.
population town during socialism.
Тя учеше децата с увреждания.
Yeah, she was the one that was teaching the children with special needs.
Имаше 3 деца с увреждания в 55 000 град.
In a 55,000
По време на
population
социализма.
city, there was only 3 children that had special needs.
Нито един аутист.
Zero autism, no autism.
В момента този град е 22 000 човека спаднал
Currently, this same city is down to 20,000 population,
и има 1000 аутисти.
and there's 1,000 autistic children.
Преди ваксините се правиха от социалистическата държава.
Yeah, back in the socialist times, the vaccines were created and manufactured by the socialistic
Сега се
government.
правят от частни корпорации.
While now, those same vaccines are created by private corporations.
Кой плаща на политиците?
Who pays the politicians?
Частните корпорации.
Private corporations.
Ще пострада ли някой частна корпорация?
Do you think any of these private corporations are going to get
Никога.
harmed? No.
Само ако вътрешно те решат да разчистят някоя,
The only way a corporation is going to get harmed is only if between those corporations they decide to take one out of the game.
само тогава ще направят едно представление за масите.
Yeah, only then are they going to make a huge theatrical play in front of the masses saying this corporation is very bad, we have to eliminate it.
За да кажат, ето има справедливост.
So tell the masses, look, there is justice.
А всъщност това е екзекуция, която е определена на по-горно ниво.
Yeah, well, this is just a pre-staged execution that is decided by those elites beforehand.
Силата на обикновения човек е в нашата заедност.
Yeah, the power that the ordinary person has is the unity between us.
Трябва да се научим да бъдем организирани.
We need to learn how to be organized.
Всеки един от нас да допринася.
Every single one of us to somehow contribute.
Трябва да помним, че свободата изисква жертви.
And we have to remember that freedom requires. I lost the word.
Not guilt.
Как беше жертва?
Not guilt, maybe.
Well, it's not struggle, it's sacrifice. Sorry. Freedom requires sacrifice.
Свободата не означава да живееш богато.
Yeah, freedom doesn't mean to live as a wealthy person.
Свободата означава да имаш избор.
Yeah, freedom means to have a choice.
Трябва да си готов
You have to be ready
всеки един момент
for every single moment
да се откажеш от благата,
to give up all the
за да
assets that
бъдеш
you have
свободен.
in order to be free.
Затова трябва да спрем да мислим като жертви.
That's why we have to remove the victim mindset from all
И
of us.
отново да кажем какво зависи от мен.
And once again to start asking ourselves the question, what depends on my actions?
Какво трябва да направя аз,
What
за
should
да
I,
може да бъдем свободни?
what should I do so that all of us can be free?
Не трябва да приемам изкушаващите предложения.
I should not get tempted by bribery attempts.
Те винаги идват и казват, ти си специален.
Yeah, because the bribers always come to you and they say, you're the special one. You should take the money.
Ти заслужаваш.
You deserve it.
Не ги гледай.
Yeah, don't look at those guys.
Те ще те предадат.
Yeah, all of these guys, don't look at them. They're gonna betray you. You're special. Take
Но
the money.
помнете, хората не са добри или лоши.
Yeah, but remember this: people are not good or bad.
Те са такива, каквито ги направи системата.
People are what the system makes of them.
И ако ние искаме да променим нещо,
And if we, as a whole, want to change something,
трябва да бъдем водачи, които създават система, която променя хората.
we must become leaders that create a system that changes people.
Само с думи и с възмущение не става.
Yeah, just with loud words and with frustration, it just doesn't work.
Трябва организация, постоянство, отдаденост и единство.
We need an organization, we need consistency, and we need to be united.
В една държава като България ние сме успели да поставим началото.
In a country like Bulgaria, we've actually managed to begin this process.
И имаме поне 100 500 човека, които мислят като нас.
And we have confirmed 100,500 voters that have confirmed that they're on
Ние
our
сме на
side.
всеки километър.
Yeah, literally, we have people in every single village in Bulgaria.
Ето двама българи, които са тук и винаги ни подкрепят.
Here we have-
Имаме във всеки град в света.
In Sweden, in Stockholm, these are two Bulgarians that are of our party that live here in Stockholm, and we have people from Velicia in every single major city all over Europe, Bulgarians, and in Bulgaria.
И ставаме повече, повече и повече.
And we're growing and growing and growing throughout the world.
И ние като ръководители трябва да надграждаме, да правим система, медии.
And we as leaders need to keep on upgrading the systems, upgrading medias, upgrading connections and connectivity between all of us.
Готови сме да споделяме всичко, което сме научили и което сме постигнали с вас, с Швеция, Дания и въобще с всички свободни хора.
We are absolutely ready to share everything we've learned, every single step of the way, the systems with all of the Swedes, the Danes, and everyone throughout the world, so that you can use these systems.
Трябва да поддържаме международни отношения, както ги поддържат богатите.
Yeah, we as ordinary people need to upgrade these international relations the same way that the elites are upgrading and maintaining their international relations.
Трябва да разпространяваме новините
We need to share the news between each other,
и ще създадем паралелна информационна система международна.
so that way we can create a parallel information system which is international.
Ще създадем възможности за младите хора.
We can create this way opportunities for young people.
Винаги сме готови млади хора от Швеция и Дания да ги приемем за месец, два, три при нас на стаж.
We're always open to accept young Danes, young Swedes as interns to come to Bulgaria for a month or two so we can teach them, train them, show them how we do it over there, and they could upgrade their knowledge and skills that way.
Така че няма само Сорос да прави университети и ние обикновените хора ще направим университети.
So it won't be just Soros creating universities all over the place. We can start making our own universities and training and teaching the youngsters that way.
Ние сме по-умни,
We're smarter,
по-работливи,
we work harder,
по-хубави
we're prettier,
и повече.
and there's more of us.
Така че най-хубавото нещо е, че вече сме видяли истината.
The best thing is that we've actually seen the truth already. We've been inside, we've seen it, and we have this confirmed.
Знаем какво трябва да направим.
We know exactly what we need to do.
Няма да е лесно,
It won't be easy,
но няма велика битка, която да е лесна.
but there's no great battle which is easy.
Така че ние искаме велики битки.
So we are looking for these big battles. We want these big battles, great
Само
battles.
от великите битки имената остават в историята.
Because only through big battles do the names stay in history.
Така че действаме и стъпка по стъпка извършваме промяната.
So we are constantly active every single day, no day off, in order to get that change to happen.
Благодаря.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ivanov and Mr. Mikhailov. It was a great learning experience here at Emancipation in Bulgaria.
to be honest, if you could allow me, because he doesn't speak English that much, but I'll just say that this guy is pretty genius, very smart, reads a lot of books, and he does teach us youngsters. Because I've lived in the States. I could have stayed there, worked a high-paying job, but I came back to Bulgaria because of the big project. And I can see how this project can actually multiply throughout every single European state, because the historical park is very similar to Skansen. Because Skansen was created in order to keep the Swedes from running off to the US back in the days. That was why they built Skansen. We learned that today. And it's the same reason why we built the historical park. So if we want to destroy this globalistic idea, we have to have historical parks and reasons for people to unite in every single country. And I believe we can do that, because if we could crowdfund it in Bulgaria, we can do it in every single country all throughout Europe and the world. So yeah, we're open to connecting, and we're available for talks. Thank you.
I'm kind of happy for you people. I'm proud being part of this whole board at this time here.
Whenever I thought I knew all about the crimes against humanity, I thought now I know everything. And I studied a new topic, and I looked under a new stone and found another dead body.
And I can tell you, we are fighting international crimes. It's just big, it's worldwide.
We're against abortion, we're against euthanasia, we're against experimental injections and all those things that take away people's lives.
Das, was in den Medien kommt, das ist oft sehr zweifelhaft. Jemand über allem steht, der am Ende dafür sorgen wird.
Weil Gott einfach diese Verbindung ist, wo wir eben, es ist ein Kampf mit Licht und Finsternis, es ist ein Geisteskampf.
I have to say I feel very happy being here. I could imagine living with you guys.
Thanks so much for your attention. It's an absolute pleasure.
Thank you, marvelous. Thanks everyone. Great.
Wir danken dem Evelyn und auch dem Alexander für die Einladung.
If the criminal patterns are known, the criminal patterns are not useful, isn't it?